Clarence Thomas pushes Supreme Court to weaken Voting Rights Act protection. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, long critical of the Voting Rights Act, may now have enough conservative support to gut its key protection. In a Louisiana redistricting case, Thomas urged the court to rule that Section 2 Rubio conveys Trump's frustration to Russia's Lavrov amid Ukraine tension. On the sidelines of the AC meeting in Malaysia, Secretary of State Marco Rubio told Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov that President Trump was frustrated with Moscow's refusal to pursue peace talks over Ukraine. Rubio described their exchange as candid but noted Russia offered a new and different approach. Trump, angered by Putin's action, approved defensive weapons for Ukraine after a Pentagon pause. Trump's teen deportation scandal deepens as whistleblower blusters claims the Trump administration's handling of the deportation case of Kilmar Abrego Gracia continues to unravel with fresh evidence from DOJ whistleblower suggesting officials ignored court orders and misled to the public. At the center is Emil Boff, Trump's nominee for a top judgeship, who allegedly suggested defying a judge's order to halt deportation. Whistleblower Iris Rivuni provided emails showing officials were told to stop deportation but Boff allowed them. Federal judge blocked Trump's birthright citizenship ban nationwide, though class action. A federal judge in New Hampshire, Joseph LaPlante, has issued a nationwide injunction blocking Trump's order to end birthright citizenship for children born in the U.S. to undocumented or temporary migrants. While the Supreme Court recently limited broad nationwide injunction, LaPlante instead certified a class action covering affected children, saying denying citizenship caused irreparable harm. Trump claimed NATO will fully fund U.S. weapon for Ukraine. President Trump told NBC he struck a deal for the U.S. to send weapons to Ukraine through NATO, with NATO covering the cost 100%. He said Patriots would be sent to NATO and then distributed. NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte confirmed he spoke with Trump and he is working with allies to increase Ukraine's air defenses. Secretary of State Marco Rubio added the U.S. is discussing sharing Patriot batteries with European countries willing to defer deliveries.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.